Hey everyone, I'm on the roof at another recent roof garden that we installed, and I thought I'd just do a quick follow-up on my previous video, how to build a green roof, and just talk about some of the reasons why you might want to install a green roof. Green roofs have a whole host of benefits, but one of the most important benefits is their incredible ability to insulate a building. In the heights of summer, the layer of soil and plants and moisture on the roof does a great job of helping keep that heat out, and we really need that here in Durban. But in winter, that same insulation layer will help keep the warmth in. The second benefit to green roofs is connected to the first one, and that's the ability of green roofs to reduce something called the heat island effect. Cities are generally 3 to 5 degrees Celsius warmer than rural areas because of the fact that they absorb and radiate more heat than natural areas. The more trees and parks and green roofs, the greater the reduction in that heat island effect. This added layer of insulation that they provide can also help protect your waterproofing layer on your roof, often doubling the lifespan of roofing membrane. One of the biggest benefits to having a green roof installed is how good they are at reducing stormwater runoff. They'll actually hold onto the rainwater, and in times of heavy rainfall they'll actually slow down the runoff into the city's rainwater system, and this helps reduce the stress on that overall sewage system. And added to that is the fact that the water that comes through a green roof is much cleaner generally than what would come off your roof if it wasn't for the plants there. The fifth benefit to green roofs is that they help clean the air in cities. They reduce the dust and the smog that gets produced by the cities, the vehicles, and they produce oxygen and make for a generally healthier city. Green roofs also create a habitat for wildlife in the city, so birds will often use them for nests. Insects and other creatures will also benefit. And most importantly, from a landscaper's point of view, they also open up the option for extra habitat for us to use. You're no longer just limited to balconies or going outside to parks. You can use the space to sit in and enjoy, or even to grow your own food. I'm sure there are tons of other benefits to having a green roof installed, but these are just some of the main reasons for putting up a green roof. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share with someone else you think might enjoy it. Otherwise, happy gardening.